Are you spending every spare minute trying to learn piano even though you're following the common advice? 14 years ago I was in the exact same position, but since then I've reached millions of people with my piano tutorials and covers. I even got celebrities to follow me and helped thousands of people start playing piano. So in this video I'm gonna give you the exact system that would have helped me play piano faster if I knew this in the beginning. So I can just come to the piano and play something really random like this. So you see this, I don't even have to think. I can just come to the piano, and if I knew this, it would have been so much easier. So let's get into it. The first thing is, don't get overwhelmed by all these 88 keys on the piano. I know at the start, you just look at the piano and there are so many keys and you're like testing out every key on the piano, and it's like there are so many options. I mean, no wonder why I was failing and you were probably also failing on the piano and not really learning songs the way you want it. So all we gotta do is really just go from 88 keys down to 7. And then we just pick any scale. And I know this word scale is a little bit boring and like overwhelming, but a scale is really nothing else than just a pattern of 7 specific notes on a piano that just repeat. So let me show this to you. Just take a look at the piano scales cheat sheet. It doesn't even matter which scale you use. And by the way, you can download this cheat sheet completely for free. So just click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and you will get it for free. Let's just take this one, and you don't even have to get overwhelmed by the name and all of that. Just really take a look at which notes we play. And this is not like an easy one, but still it's really simple. So just have a look at this. We play this E right here, then we go to these 2 black notes on top, down to these 2 white notes here, back up to these 2 black notes, and then it just restarts on E. So let's just count what we are doing. We are starting right here on a group of 2 black keys to the right. So this white note we are pressing or playing. This is 1. Now, always on the group of 3 black keys or on the group of 2 black keys, just always the 2 black keys or the first 2 black keys we hit in this scale. So just really take a look at the cheat sheet and follow it. And it will make sense later on. Just stick with me. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to go down. 4, 5, and up to these 2 black notes again. 6, 7. And now you have all the notes that are available when you play in this scale or in this pattern of the piano. So if you want to play this note right now, no, you just can't play this note. And this is really just like a game of lava. It's really as simple as this, because I know I can play this note, but I can't play this note. It's lava. Also these notes, like they're lava. I just mind these notes and just go to the right ones that I can play. Just 7 notes, and then you just repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really simple. You can do this all the way on the whole piano. You just can't help yourself but sound good on a piano. It doesn't even matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, whatever. You will always sound good on a piano, because now I can just come to the piano and I know all the sounds in this pattern or all the notes in this pattern sound good. Now look at this. I can just, you see where I have my hand, or also here. Very simple. I'm just following the plan that you can see, like just a pattern. But now I just pick any, with my left hand, I just pick any random notes that also follow this pattern. So no, I'm not pressing this note right here. This is lava. We don't want to burn our fingers. Also, like I'm not playing any of these 2 white notes right here. It is lava. We don't want to touch it. Also, like this white note, we don't want to touch it. Just take a look at the cheat sheet. Again, you can download it completely for free. Just look at it and you will see, okay, no, I'm just following the 7 notes that are available for me. So now I'm just trying out, like with this one, with E. Sounds pretty happy, right? So, but it sounds okay. Maybe I try this one. You see this? This is not planned, by the way. So was really just random, picking a scale or a pattern. And you see this? I don't even have to be able to play piano. I just look at the cheat sheet. I play just up and down with all my fingers in this scale. So really not complicated. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth of this scale. And then I just move down and up again. And then I'm just trying out some bass notes. Because this was the first one I had to think of. Because the pattern of the 7 notes just start with this. Second one. You see how easy it is? It is really so simple. What I did with my left hand now, I was just like adding some spice to it, because you don't want to just hit random bass notes. Or let's play it right here. I mean, it's also beautiful, but you just want to add something more to it. And you can do this by simply using counting methods. And by the way, you can also check this out. I'm just working on a new course with all the feedback I got from my students to just work on a 7-day process or a 7-day system that will guide you through learning piano in 7 days. And it is out there for almost the price of nothing. So if you want to get this now is the best chance to get it. Just to give you a quick preview, it is really so simple, because with counting methods, we don't need any boring theory. You just know that by counting to 12, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, for example, you see this? This is an octave. Like when someone tells you to play an octave, maybe you're like, what is an octave? But just count to 12 and you will see it will always sound good. It doesn't even matter which note we take. Also here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see this? I just count up to 12. And you see this? This is like an octave. We're just playing the same note, but in a higher frequency, together with the lower frequency. Really simple. And then you can also just count to 7, for example. Let's take this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we play the fifth. Now we just combine it with the other counting method. Whoops, it was the wrong one. You see this? And then we have a beautiful chord. And now the only thing I'm doing is I'm switching between this. And I'm following this with also the other notes. Counting to 7, counting to 12. It's really not complicated. And then I bring it together and it will sound something like this. Maybe I play it a little bit more down here. I was playing it a little bit different, but you see this? It is really simple. I'm just switching a little bit between these notes. We can also just change it up and start with this one. So you see this? I'm just switching between the notes that are available. It's really not complicated. So again, just download your free piano scales cheat sheet down below and you will see that you will have a lot of fun just practicing through all these scales. And then also, if you're interested to learn piano in just 7 days and play 3 songs already, I'm working on the 7-day piano starter course right now. So click below and you will get an amazing deal. I'll see you in the next one.